Mike Brady from MapAll has joined us here at Connected North. Mike, perhaps you could tell us a little bit about MapAll and what you're showing here this week.
Sure. So MapAll is a UK software company. We provide a modern state-of-the-art app and cloud solution for the management and progress reporting of the build of fibre optic networks. We serve two kinds of customers. We serve the altnets, also known as ISPs, as operators, and we serve their build partners, also known as contractors. So we deliver solutions to both of those guys.
And we're here talking about the importance of connectivity in the north of England. So how do your services help support those ISPs, altnets and others to build that connectivity?
So there is an atrocious demand for high-speed internet, i.e. fibre optic networks. And the whole industry is struggling to serve that demand, to get those networks built, to get those homes connected. And there are tens of millions, if not hundreds of millions, of pounds sterling being invested in these altnets. And yet, the altnets themselves and their contractors struggle to know where their build is at. So the problems that we solve are project management of the build, real-time progress reporting, i.e. real-time from the field, progress reporting with cool dashboards and reports, and crucially, the capture of as-built data so that you know what exactly you've built, that you built a network per the design or that you've deviated from it in some way. So project management, real-time progress reporting, and capture of digital as-builts. That's what we're doing.
Really interesting. So that must be incredibly useful when we're hearing here this week a lot about the grab for fibre. But what happens if there's different suppliers trying to build in the same area, like an altnet and an OpenReach are already there, for example?
So what we don't want, what nobody wants, Joe Citizen, the councils, they don't want the street being dug up by Altnet 1 on Monday and Altnet 2 on Tuesday and so on. So more and more what you find is the altnets are building on BT's OpenReach networks, which is great, and it allows for the faster deployment, but it comes with its own issues. So when you're trying to run your cable through BT's infrastructure and you hit what's called a blockage, a duct blockage underground or a pole defect overground, you have to raise what is the nightmare of the PIA world, which is an 855 blockage report. It is a total pain for the industry, and we have a beautiful solution for that. When you get the blockage reported to OpenReach, you then have to go and get it repaired and delivered to OpenReach what's called an 855B or a civils evidence report. And again, we have a beautiful solution for that. And then finally, when you've built your altnet network on top of an OpenReach area, you have to produce for OpenReach what's called an NOI complete report or an NOI as built, and again we have a solution for that. So for contractors, for altnets building on OpenReach PIA, we have lovely solutions that will help them get that out.
Great. So it sounds absolutely vital, and you're really helping to boost that connectivity rollout in the north. Do you think events like this, Connected North, this is the first one that we've held, events like this are helpful to also get that message out there and to support the growth overall?
Yeah, so today we're at Connected North. In September we were at Connected Britain, a sister a conference to this. Both of them have been superb for MapAll. It's where we come to meet our existing customers, it's where we come to meet potential new customers, and it's a great way of getting the name MapAll known out there. So for us, we love these events, both Connected North in particular, Connected Britain in September, hugely successful for us, really very pleased with them. So we'll be signing up to come back again for sure.
Fantastic. Well, maybe we'll do this again in the future, but for now, thanks very much for coming and chatting to us.
Very good. Thanks indeed, James.
Thank you.